Hi guys.
Hello.
So I got Taco Bell and I want, oh shit, the flash. I don't know what it's called. So,
What you get?
I got a Crunch Ice Supreme, a burrito, and those nacho fries.
Let me guess, Crunch Ice Supreme with no beef?
No, I got a beef. No, I got a beef.
Oh, you did?
I took the lettuce out and tomato out. I was like, no, lettuce, tomato.
Yeah,
It's like,
Did you stop at Burger King too?
no, it's
Oh,
the same
what
thing.
the hell?
Alright.
Oh, there's one.
Oh my god. It's a burrito. I don't have your thumbnail. You hold like.
You gotta hold like everything, I guess. What did you get?
Okay, I'm done.
Oh, you're not gonna eat it now?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it inside.
Oh, okay.
Everything here.
We're good to go?
Yeah.
I think it's bad. Oh,
You can leave it.
oh, it's back right when you almost dropped it.
Yeah, right? That's why I dropped. It really ripped and it fell. Oh, my foot almost fell out.
Thank God this is out.
Oh my god. We're going to Home Goods now. Oh my god. Do I have everything? I have my phone. Do I have my phone? I don't know. I'm gonna assume I have it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I do have it. Alright, so keys, camera. Oh, it's cold. Yeah. I don't want it. Oh, did I leave the light on? Yeah. I have the light on, of course.
You didn't?
Yeah. Oh my god. Alright, we're good. We're back in business, guys. Alright, I feel like I'm gonna drop this camera.
Don't.
I know, right? I didn't buy the warranty on this thing.
Where are we going today?
Oh, you want me to tell them? I was like, I thought we just said
See
it.
the movie.
We're gonna go see 50 Shades Free.
50 Shades Free.
The
yes.
third one.
I saw first of the half.
There's so, it's, oh my god, this car. Okay, okay. The story's so cute. Everyone's like, why do you like that movie? And I'm just like,
Did
so,
Stephanie watch it?
yeah, Stephanie wants to see it again. She's like, when you go on.
Did?
Yeah, she's
Did you
like,
invite her?
yeah, she's like, oh, I can't go to. She's like, if it was any other day, I would go. I was like, oh, okay. She's like, it was that good. I want to see it again. I'm like, oh, that's so.
Other movie also came out. Have Black Panther?
Black Panther came out. I don't want to see that.
Well,
Every guy
I
wants to see that.
Like, I'm interested in it since I watched that other one. Like, okay, it seems okay.
Ooh. Oh, it's so nice and warm. Oh my god, look at this violin.
Huh?
Look at that violin.
Oh, sure, that's the reason why.
Oh my god.
Dude, this place has so much unique stuff. Like,
Oh my god. Look at all this stuff.
See that rainbow zebra right there?
Right behind you. Oh my god, that's so big. How did I not notice it? Oh my god. What are you doing? Okay. I'm so confused.
You're not doing this?
With you, remember your mom got me those plates?
Oh, yeah.
That was here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only time. That was the only time you took it.
Cashier number 1, please.
Oh my god. A tray.
Yeah, that's right.
Huh?
No, this.
Oh. Oh, I was gonna drop it. Oh, it's
Come back and
cold.
catch.
Okay.
You don't know the falls. I don't want to. I'll just do it. You know to edit yet? I don't plan to.
Oh my god. Are you using the other side?
Uh-oh.
So you just tried it.
Oh, it's done.
What was the other thing you got? The burrito?
I never tried that. I hope it's good.
Did you try the nacho taco thing? How was it good then?
I don't like them. Thank you. You too. Oh my god.
Do you still want to look around here or?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Then we gotta go Targetto. Got that noodle.
Should we walk to Target?
You want to?
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, okay.
Oh my god, it's so cold and I'm not wearing a jacket because I want you to see the shirt.
Well,
Kendall and
I'm all
Kylie.
puffed up, so I'm pretty good.
Ooh, it's so cold. My nose is
How are you
wet.
not freezing? Oh my god.
It's actually, the breeze is nice. Just kidding, I'm freezing.
Well, it's okay. Well, I'm wearing a jacket, so it does feel nice. It's not that bad.
I'll finish this and stop recording. Oh my god.
How you gonna
This
do
is
that?
good.
How you gonna do that?
Multitask. I was doing it in there.
Walking? Oh yeah, that's true. Walking and doing that. Oh my god, I gotta catch up on Riverdale, man. I gotta catch up.
They didn't show an episode on Wednesday.
No, but on Netflix, I still gotta catch up. I'm still waiting for that.
Riverdale's so good.
Who's your favorite character? In Riverdale.
Betty?
That's your favorite? Ready?
Or Jughead? I don't like Veronica.
I like Veronica. What the hell?
She's so like Archie's daddy. Like I don't like the way she talks. Like it's very like spoiled.
I know she had like from the beginning. I watched her. She's always been my favorite.
No, I don't like her.
What's another show that's good? Stranger Things is not my top. I'm not into that.
You don't like
No,
it?
it's like okay. I'm like not
Why
addicted
is
to
car?
it.
I was like, why is that car stopping? I stopped.
Like it's okay, you know. I'm not really into it. Oh yeah, did you hear that what's his face?
Millie Jacobs and
Yeah.
Paris are a couple.
Oh my god.
I'll throw up.
What?
You like Jacob Sartorius?
I don't know who he is, but he's okay. Like
The muser that everybody is like.
what?
He's literally 10 years old and acts like he's like 18.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wait, what's it called? A muser? What the hell does that mean?
Music, please.
Oh.
Oh no, I got this shirt dirty already.
So, there's something called a napkin, which you don't have.
It's in the car with the bag.
Nice. Oh, Serena, I'm hot and not cold. Now I'm getting cold wearing a jacket.
We're going to Tar-Et.
Tar-Et. Hopefully the pharmacy's still open.
They
Right?
close after like a certain time.
Right. Hopefully it's open. Did you get your flu shot today?
No, I didn't get it at all. Alright, we'll get on the video. What's the button? Do this. Alright, bye.
Bye.